exits, 2 on each side. Each exit is equipped with an evacuation slide that is linked automatically when open. Slides in each door may be detached and used as rafts. An additional life raft is located in an overhead bin and is known as a safety information card. All exits are clearly marked with red and white exit signs overhead. If needed, emergency lighting along the aisle will direct red lights at all exits. Please take a moment to locate the 2 nearest exits, keeping in mind that they may be behind you. In the highly unlikely event of water evacuation, your flotation device is a life vest which is sealed in a plastic bag located in the pocket underneath your seat. Its use is illustrated in the safety information card. Life vest should not be removed unless a crew member advises you to do so. To remove the life vest from the bag, slip the tap to one side. To use the vest, slip it over your head. Grasp one of the strap moving in front. Bring it around your waist and insert the end into the clasp to tighten pull outward on the strap. Your vest may be inflated automatically by pulling down sharply in the red tab located in the front of the vest and manually blowing in the red tube near your shoulder. Your vest is also equipped with a water-activated light. Additional information regarding location and operation of flotation devices for small children may be found in the safety information card. Our cabin will be pressurized during the flight. Should there be a loss of cabin pressure, 4 oxygen masks will automatically drop in the compartment above your seat. Immediately, pull down the mask until the plastic tubing is fully extended. This is what starts the flow of oxygen. Place that mask over your nose and mouth, secure the elastic band, and breathe normally. Mask may be adjusted by pulling on the tabs on either side of the mask. Please adjust your mask to assist the child and the passenger until the oxygen is blowing. The bag may not inflate. Federal aviation regulations require faster compliance with crew members' instructions, fasten seatbelt signs, and all other lighted information signs and posted placards. Smoking is not permitted anywhere in the aircraft. That includes those lavatories. It also includes those e-cigarettes. Trust me, they will set off all the bells and whistles. Federal law prohibits tampering with, disabling, or destroying lavatory smoke detector. Permits come for safety and security require the passengers refrain from congregating in the aisles or galleys. The galleys are for the working crews only, please. Such a diva. Can't take her anywhere.